How to reopen your PeoplePerHour account after deactivation. First of all, open your browser and search for Activate My Account for PeoplePerHour. Then click on the official link from PeoplePerHour, or you can contact support to reopen your account by providing the necessary information. Activating your account means the PeoplePerHour team needs to verify your account to ensure it's genuine and to protect clients on the platform. This process may take some time, so you will need to wait for their approval. Once your account is verified, you can activate it by confirming the email address you used during registration. Make sure you complete this step to fully access your PeoplePerHour account and start offering your services safely. After activation, check your profile, portfolio, and payment settings to ensure everything is accurate. This will help you get started quickly and professionally on the platform. Now you know how to reopen your PeoplePerHour account after deactivation. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more freelancing tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.